Every winter, the same ritual shows up: orange juice at the first sneeze, as if vitamin C were a fire extinguisher for colds. The chemistry is real, but the job description is narrower than the marketing suggests. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid, an essential cofactor your body cannot make, and it earns its reputation first in collagen building, antioxidant recycling, and immune cell support. That is serious biology. It is not automatic proof that a Megadose capsule will abort the virus once you are already sniffing.
Okay, so if it is not a fire extinguisher, what does it actually do inside cells when people say it supports immunity? Is that a vague wellness phrase, or is there a concrete pathway I should picture before I trust the cold claims?
Picture three linked jobs. First, vitamin C keeps collagen cross-linking enzymes working, so skin, vessel walls, gums, and healing tissue stay structurally sane. Second, it helps recycle other antioxidants, which is why deficiency shows up as oxidative stress and sluggish repair. Third, immune cells concentrate ascorbic acid and use it while they patrol and respond. That cluster is real immune biology, and it is the part of the story that survives marketing noise. Supportive chemistry is not the same promise as high capsules erasing viruses on contact. Water-soluble also gets misread. Yes, and use vitamin C can leave in urine, but that does not mean bigger doses keep buying more immune horsepower forever. Intestinal absorption saturates. Tissue levels plateau once cells are replete, and the leftover mostly becomes expensive urine plus gut irritation for many people. Essential nutrient status and pharmacologic megadosing are different experiments with different ceilings, and confusing them is how winter supplement theater starts.
If produce aisles are everywhere, is scurvy just pirate history trivia now? Or do modern clinics still see real vitamin C deficiency in certain people who simply are not eating enough ascorbate?
It is not trivia. A 2026 systematic review of scurvy in high-income countries found cases clustering in pediatric neurodevelopmental disorders, highly restrictive eating patterns, medically complex patients, and psychosocial vulnerability. Presentations often hit multiple organ systems, roughly 2.3 on average in the pooled set, with musculoskeletal findings especially common. That is where vitamin C's benefit is least ambiguous. Correct a true deficit, and collagen-related misery can reverse in a way megadoses never match in already replete people. Baseline context matters before anyone buys powder tubs. Government consumer guidance flags higher need in pregnancy and breastfeeding, in people who smoke, and during recovery from surgery or major burns, because healing tissue and oxidative load raise demand. For many other adults who already eat fruit and vegetables regularly, the priority is steady adequacy across the week, not heroic dosing time to every sniffle or airport layover. Match the habit to the physiology in front of you, not to the aisle display.
Then why do supplement aisles act like food is optional? If I already eat peppers and citrus most days, am I just duplicating the same milligrams with capsules? Or is there a form difference that actually changes immune outcomes?
Food is not optional theater. Compositional reviews of leafy vegetables show vitamin C densities that can reach tens to hundreds of milligrams per 100 grams dry weight, and everyday produce lists, citrus, peppers, tomatoes, broccoli, are the practical delivery system for most households. Vitamin C also helps the body absorb non-heme iron, which is useful in plant-forward diets. That same absorption boost is exactly why iron overload disorders need clinician caution rather than casual megadosing from the vitamin aisle.
So, where did the shorter cold story come from? If I take vitamin C every day versus only after my throat starts scratching, are those even the same evidence question? Or are people mixing two different trial designs?
Treat them as different questions. Habitual adequacy has the cleaner story for preventing deficiency and supporting baseline immune chemistry. Starting huge doses only after symptoms appear is a weaker, noisier bet for most people. Cold duration reductions, when they show up in evidence summaries, are usually modest and context-dependent, not a reason to skip sleep, fluids, or actual medical care when you're truly sick. Skin and collagen claims are strongest when they track overall nutrition and true deficiency risk, not when a serum bottle promises transformation by itself, while diet is ignored.
If the effect size is that quiet, how should someone judge whether a vitamin C habit is helping instead of chasing every sniffle like a personal scoreboard that proves the supplement worked or failed?
Now the proportional risks. High oral doses commonly cause diarrhea and abdominal cramping once you push past what the gut can absorb comfortably. In susceptible people, high ascorbate intake can raise kidney stone risk through oxalate pathways, so more is not a free antioxidant upgrade. And vitamin C should never be framed as a substitute for vaccines, clinician care, sleep, or basic nutrition. Those are category errors, not bold biohacks, and the evidence hierarchy does not support that swap. Critical care makes the megadose fantasy clearer. In the VITA-CCA randomized trial after out-of-hospital cardiac arrest, early intravenous vitamin C at 3 or 10 grams daily did not improve organ function at 96 hours. The 10-gram arm actually showed less organ function improvement than placebo, with worse signals for heart injury markers, kidney function, and neurological outcome. Outside that ICU setting, the lesson still travels. Flooding the bloodstream with ascorbic acid is not automatically protective biology, and dose bravado can move outcomes the wrong way.
So the practical rule I am hearing is cover vitamin C with food, correct real gaps in higher need groups, expect only modest cold duration help at best, and treat megadoses as a medical conversation, not a winter personality trait. Did I get that hierarchy right for everyday decisions?